Nita Ann. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today we're going to be talking about creating your vision for 2024. And I have the amazing Seema Button with me, and she's going to share her goal poster, and I am going to share some tips on creating your best vision for 2024. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. I'm Nita Ann, and we're here talking with Seema Button, and we're so excited because she is the queen of visualization. And if you're in Mary Kay, you know that you need to be visualizing to be able to set your goals for the new year. And the best way to do that is to create a vision board. Now, Seema has done several vision boards, and recently she had a vision board happen because she had a house on that vision board. Isn't that right?
I did, yes.
And
for several years, actually.
For several years.
It took a couple years to manifest that one. Sometimes the big ones take longer.
And did you get like almost exactly what you wanted?
I absolutely did. We had given up on some of the details, like the creek and the cul-de-sac and the in-town and the internet that didn't have to be mobile and all that. And it all came together last year. Actually, just a few weeks from now, so almost a year ago. Yeah.
Yay! So exciting! And you have a new vision board, which looks beautiful with your purple shirt. I mean, it's just
Can
like
you tell
gorgeous.
it's my favorite color?
Yes, purple is one of my favorite colors too, but I wore pink for just tonight. So, do you want to share what's on your vision board?
Sure, absolutely. So, I find that the sort of core thing, the thing you're going for, sort of with the most effort, should be in the middle. So, up until recently, the house was here. I had the house, and sorry, yeah, you
a little bit.
Yeah. It was the house and the details of the house. I even had a little card saying we need a beautiful kitchen and all this stuff and all the details, and then a picture of a beautiful house, okay? But that came to happen last year. So now I have a picture of the Mary Kay car in the middle because it's time for me to earn my free car again. I had one, but it was quite a while ago. It's time to do it again. And so, well, I got to change my picture. I just realized because it says on Target last month. So that's important. So I'll be changing that, updating that as soon as we get off. But I also like to put the rest of my life on my vision board too. So this down here is the healthy eating and my journey, my health journey. That's representational of that. The join us is team building because we are totally building our girlfriend tribe in the Pink Patriot unit. And so that's what the join us and the nice lavender is about. The Great Escape, I want to travel more with my husband and just in general. And that actually happened some last year because I ended up going to Bahrain with my mom and we went to Colorado to visit Nita back in June with my kids. My kids got their first plane ride. They love that.
Yes.
So that is starting to come to fruition as well. And then, I don't know about you, but a lot of people struggle with their relationship and how they view money. And so I've been working on my words and my languaging around that for several years now. And that's kind of what this is about. Money it's just a tool. It's just a symbol, you know, and we have all this crazy junk around it in our heads, right? And so I try to use words and visions that are healthy, like I attract limitless abundance. It doesn't say anything about money particularly, but it has to do with that mindset. So that's what that corner is about. And I always have some sort of growth on mine.
When you painted it, did you?
Yeah, I did. On mine, I painted the background.
I love it. That's so pretty.
Yeah, this is actually acrylic paint that I painted the background with my favorite colors.
Oh, I answered it. Whoops. I answered this.
But yeah, so that's a little bit about my current board. I obviously need to update a couple things, but yeah.
Okay, so here are some tips about creating your vision board for 2024. So the first thing you want to do is you want to not only put goals, but what is that goal going to give you? So for example, you know, what is earning the free car going to give her? It's going to give her freedom of not having a car payment, where that $400 extra could go towards a vacation, could go towards saving for kids' college, could go towards paying off even the mortgage. Did you know if you paid an extra $500 a month on your mortgage, you would save so much money on interest?
So much money.
Just on interest alone. And so having a free car, you want to put that on there, but then what is it going to give you? And then another tip for creating a vision board is make sure that it's something that you're emotionally attached to.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not emotionally attached to it, you're not going to work for it. It's not going to get you excited. And the most important thing about a vision board is something that you're willing to really go for when time gets tough. Because I obviously have had lots of vision boards, and the ones that have been most effective have been ones that I am not willing to let go of that vision. Like, no, I have this vision, I'm not willing to let go of it. Even when times get tough, I'm not willing to let go of it. And that's telling the universe, oh, she's actually kind of serious about this. So the universe always tests us when we're going for something,
Yes.
right? And so it puts us through this test of belief. And if we give up on our faith and our vision, then the universe is like, well, we're not going to give it to her. She wasn't really that committed anyway. But once you pass that initial test, the universe starts to listen, and the universe starts to say, wow, she's actually really committed. Let's give her some cues that this is going to happen. And that's when you start to see things actually popping up in your life. But it's the vision that keeps you focused when times get rough. So that's what I'm challenging you to do for the beginning of 2024, is to create your vision board. Send me a picture of it. I want to see, and post it someplace that you can remind yourself often of what is coming into your future. So thank you, Seema. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you on my next episode.